Good morning, Orange Block. Today we finished talking about integers and number lines. Can you use a number line to compare, add, subtract, put fractions in order, or numbers in order? Yes. Integer. An integer is a whole number or the opposite. So if I say 7, what's the opposite of 7? -7. Are they both integers? Yes. Positive numbers, bigger than? 0. Negative numbers, smaller than? 0. All right, here we go. Inequalities. Inequalities compare things. What does this symbol mean? Greater than. What does this symbol mean? Less than. How do we remember that this is less than? What's this symbol doing? It's an L standing on its tippy toes. If that L went off of its tippy toes, it would just be like that, right? Yeah. And what does that make? L. What does less than start with? L. Got it? Yep. All right. When we write expressions, we need to look at these things right here. What are these things called? Keywords. What are those things called? Keywords. Keywords tell us what to do with the value of the number. So gain is like a positive word, right? Yeah. So positive 20, right? Yeah. Loss is a negative word. Negative 10, right? So the keywords tell us what to do with the value of the number. Good? Yeah. All right, number lines. When we draw number lines, what's the first thing we do? You draw a horizontal line, right? Yeah. What do we put at the end of each line? Because number lines go for in both directions, yes? Yeah. What do we always put in the middle? 0. What are these marks called? Tick marks. Tick marks. Tick marks. If I have 4 tick marks on the right side, how many tick marks do I need on the left side? 4. When I go this way in a number line, what am I doing? Getting bigger. Where is everybody? When I go this way in a number line, what am I doing? Getting bigger. When I go this way in a number line, what am I doing? Getting smaller. Question. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. If I wanted to show that on a number line, I would always start with my number 3, right? I would put a point or a plot for 3, yes? Yes. What am I doing to that 3? How do I show adding 2? How many? 2. Where do I end up? 5. Should I draw this little arrow right there? Yes. So what's 3 plus 2? 5. If I'm losing 5, which way would my bunny hops go? To the left, right? All right, inequalities compare the size of value of 2 different things, right? Yes. We already talked about what these symbols mean. All right, if I'm comparing 1 and 3, which one's bigger, 1 or 3? 3. The inequality is eating the 3. We never talked about that, right? It's like the alligator's eating the bigger number, right? What's bigger, 6 or negative 4? 6. So 6 is greater than negative 4, yes? What's bigger, negative 11 or negative 2? Negative 2. So negative 11 is smaller than negative 2? And that means less than, right? Yes. We cool?